Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial is how to switch your personal account to a business account on TikTok. So let's get started. Let's go to our TikTok app, and yeah, we're gonna land up on our feed, right? So after that, what we want to do is on the bottom right corner, you'll see profile. Click on profile, and after that, you'll end up here. Now, what you want to do is you want to click on the three dashes on the top right corner. Click on the three dashes, and after that, this option will pop up. Now here, what you need to do is click on setting and privacy, right? After clicking on settings and privacy, this window will pop up. You would see it's a bit different because this is the latest version of TikTok. A lot of UI changes has been made to TikTok. So basically, if you are using the old app, you must update your TikTok to get all the interesting new features, and you also might get this feature in the latest version, because basically you had the pro account, you had the personal account, so now you can create a business account too. So after that, what you need to do is you need to click on accounts, the first option, right? And what you need to do is you need to click on the third option. It says switch to business account. Click on that option, and it's going to take a bit of a time loading up all the details, all the settings that are needed and required for this, right? So yeah, once they are loaded up, it's going to tell you that what kind of benefits you're going to get from switching to business account, right? So like basically running your business on TikTok, what kind of benefits are you going to get? So yeah, after that, what you're going to do is click next, and you're going to choose one of the categories similar to the pro account. So I'm going to go and click on art and craft, right? And then click on next. And after that, you gotta enter an email address through which people can contact you. Basically, if they see a product of yours, you're selling something, you're advertising something, and they see that on TikTok, so via that email they can reach out to you. You can add that here and then click add, or just skip it. Now your profile is completed. You can create a video now or create a video later. It's basically, that depends on your kind of preferences that you have for your videos. So yeah, you can do that. And yeah, I will click on maybe later, and now if you go to my profile, this is basically now business profile. So this is how you can switch from a personal account to a business account on TikTok. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.